Hello everyone and welcome back to Tidbit More. In today's lesson we are going to do a bit of different thing. Today we are going to practice English together. Yes, you and I together will be virtually interacting with each other. I'll be reading the text in blue and you'll be reading the text in red. Yes, I'll be the blue one, you'll be the red one. Are you okay with the colors, right? If you didn't understand, don't worry. Just watch a bit more video and then you'll definitely get to know what you need to do. Right, let's get started with the conversation, but keep one thing in mind that you need to keep the dialogues looking natural, like you are really interacting with me. I'll go first as the text is in the blue. Hey, how are you doing? Now it's your turn, the text is in the red. Give it a go. I'm pretty good, thank you. What have you been up to lately? It's your turn to say. The red text. Well, that's great. Do you like it so far? Ah, that's great. I wish you good luck. Have a good day. See you soon. Right, that's it. I think it was an amazing way of interaction. It's really very hard to find people around us who can speak English, who used to speak English. So I think it was amazing that we connected to each other a bit. And we interacted a bit, right? So there is one homework for you. Tell me in the comment section all the phrases that I have used in the conversation so that I get to know that you were really interested in this video. So right, let's do the homework now. Right, I think I should end the video here. I'll not waste any more time of yours. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe it. And I'll see you soon in some another video. Till then, bye!